Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Customers whose money is locked up on trading and lending platform Genesis and who have taken legal advice on the matter currently account for some $1.8 billion of loans, according to a person familiar with the situation. And that number looks like it will continue to grow. Oil prices rose following an agreement by the G7 group of nations and its allies to cap the price of Russian oil at $60 a barrel. Brent crude was up by more than 1%. The global economy is to grow 2.8% in 2023, as the Chinese economy is expected to expand 4.6% next year, according to forecasts made by the International Finance Forum 2022 Global Finance and Development Report released at the IFF 2022 annual meeting. The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed 1.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound fell 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.9% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.6% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The US API weekly crude oil stock will be released at 21:30 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 03:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 0 hours and 1 minute GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 03:30 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.